What's up, YouTube? This is just an off-name brand person right here. I've been having problems with my PS4, man. Fucking not starting today. And I took the top off of it. As you can see, the top's on the floor and shit. I've been banging on it and everything else. But that don't matter. What I'm going to tell you will get it to restart and hopefully get it to turn on. As you can see, I'm testing it right now. It got it to turn on. It erased all my shit and everything, but fuck it, it works still, right? Okay, so what you want to do is you want to hold down that top button right here. Watch. Okay. You want to hold down this top button right here until it beeps twice. And then you're going to go into initialize settings. Alright. It should be like the 5th or 6th one on there. Second one from the bottom. And it should pop up on here with a black page, right? And then a little bar like this and tells you if you want to do it, yes or no. Okay, the bar will pop on and it should just instantly wipe everything off. Alright. And then you go back down here and you press the power button and this thing will turn blue. Okay? It'll come back on and it'll still be in the settings in that black page where you got to hook up your DualShock remote and everything. Okay, then you're going to go into default settings. Alright? I think it's number 4. Okay? You're going to press that and it should come up with that little bar thing again and it should wipe everything clean again like it's doing right here. Okay? And then whenever you turn it back on, you're going to have to put all your shit back into your system. Okay? Everything. But see how it's coming back on now? And I didn't use no Sony. I didn't do nothing of that. I looked up on YouTube to see how I could get into those reset settings that I showed you. Or told you about. And then I got it to where it'll come back on so far. Right now I'm doing this update and everything like that. And it should either restart and come back on. Or I should have to press the button. Usually it'll restart by itself. Okay, see, it's installing updated file. Do not turn off PS4. Type shit right there, okay? Then it still tells you again, the PS4 will automatically restart once this is done. So you can't turn it off. If you turn it off, you're going to fuck your system up. Alright? Once you do all that, then you have to go back in there. Okay, it's restarting again. And once it's done, that light will turn off. And it should automatically come back on. If it don't, then you press that power button right there again. And you come back into your screen. See how it says no signal? Boom. There it comes. Now I've got to go back in and I've got to put all my fucking information back in. I got to re-download these 3 games right here. Everything that was done online will stay working. But like that Fallout game right there, I lost every fucking thing. It's bullshit. Okay? Now, it does say there's a cloud on here. Okay? Like how you got the iTunes cloud, or you got the fucking, the Windows cloud, or you got that fucking Google Play music cloud. Okay, this has a cloud on it. Alright? You ain't got to download nothing on a USB stick or nothing like that. All you need to do is get back into your saved stuff that you had. I got a PS3. I can get back into my saved stuff. I can find out my password and shit. Put it all back onto here. Okay? Then you should be able to go into a certain setting and get into your cloud. Your cloud will have all your saved shit on there. Alright?